Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the granule stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains and how to make the single crochet stitch. I have videos on both of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make an even number of chains. I have already made 22 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 single crochet into the second chain from your hook. You're now going to make 1 single crochet into each chain across. So that's 1 single crochet into the second chain from your hook, and then 1 single crochet into each chain across for row 1. To start row 2, make 1 chain. Into the first stitch of your row, make 1 single crochet. I'm now ready to make my first granule stitch. Insert your hook into the next stitch, grab that yarn you're working with, pull it through, pulling up a loop. Yarn over and make a chain. Yarn over, make a second chain, and yarn over and make a third chain. You're going to have 2 loops left on your hook. Yarn over and take that yarn through both loops left on your hook to complete that granule stitch. That's how it is looking. Into the next stitch, you're going to make a single crochet. Into the next stitch, I'm going to make another granule. Insert your hook, grab that yarn you're working with, pull it through, pulling up a loop. Yarn over, make 1 chain, yarn over, make 2 chains, yarn over, make 3 chains, and then yarn over and take that through both loops left on your hook to complete that stitch. Into the next stitch, I'm going to make a single crochet. Then into the next stitch, I'm going to make a granule. Insert your hook, grab that yarn, pull it through, pulling up a loop. Yarn over and make a chain, yarn over, make a chain, and yarn over, make that third chain. You're going to have 2 loops left, yarn over, and take that yarn through both loops on your hook to complete that stitch. You're now going to alternate by making a single crochet and then a granule and then a single crochet and a granule for the rest of your row.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby, it's just twist your body and mine.
And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 1 chain. You're simply going to make 1 single crochet into each stitch across for row 3. So that's 1 chain and then 1 single crochet into each stitch across for row 3. You would now alternate between rows 2 and 3 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the granule stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.